Band, please.
Yuga Band, please join us! Alright, Yuga Band, please do stand somewhere.
Yuga Band, bago ka dito, hindi ko yung
Formal na.
Ano ang video na ipapakita sa amin and of course, ikaw yung nag-on. Ano bang isa namin ito?
My morning routine, Puno.
No. Okay, so DJ Bane Sulfo.
You go, man! You're here.
Ito na, our next singer star is ready to perform. DJ Bane.
Hello, give it up for Signature Yoga!
Wow.
If I was your president, I'd never let you go. I could take your position, you up in the floor. Baby, take a chance, so you'll never ever know. I got money in my hands, so I really like to dress. So I can dress. What we eat for a good problem. Don't know about you, so say I'm supposed to have you three. That's why.
Stay beside Anatan. Wala na pagkamot naman ako nakunot sa'yo. Yung ba ang Anatan? Raimi, yung ba ang Anatan? Alam mo ba kung ano reaksyon ni Anatan kung ginagawa? Oh, Anatan! My favorite! Wala ko rin. Ito ano ito? This one. Paano mo naisip ito? Yung alam mo, feeling ko tagal yung sinakit yun.
Diba? Mahirap yung table manovers niya.
Nakakapagbabalik ni Mami, di ba na? Pakinggan natin ang komento. Wala sa ating siga, sa ating punong tagapagsigang, Karen! Uy, anong dito taon ka na? Hindi yung name ko to. 27? Hindi pa rin inaatake ng rayuga. Arthritis, ha? Excited sa'yo. Sige, Gam, go!
Sobrang penalty. Pakagaling.
Seryoso na yung boyfriend eh. Pero okay lang yan. Hindi ka naman kung seryoso ka naman sa competition na to.
Ayun na, ini-reveal niya akin yung beautiful eyes.
So, wait lang before we
Tawagin mo muna ulit natin yung ating first singer star. Winner.
Okay ba? Kaya mo bigat?
Dito tayo para magkasya tayo. Sige, of course, we would like to remind our guests to plug anything that you need to plug, Facebook, Twitter, especially your channel on Sige.tv. That's part of our first Sige Star. May Twitter ka ba? Paano ka namin ma-follow? Ano link na tayo? Meron tayo. And your Sige.tv account is?
May isa.
Very creative. And of course, the Yugo Band, my favorite. You don't get over it. You get it off. Ayun sa table. Okay. Yugo Band din. Very good. Tama ba? Ang winner natin, of course, meron pa rin gift certificate from kahit yung mama
winner. From Chicken Charlie, the best fried chicken you'll ever taste.
And of course, we'd like to thank our other sponsor, which is Vine Hyaluronic and Collagen for your ageless beauty in a sachet, available in all Watsons nationwide.
At sa ating pagbabalik, Janina,
Of course,
sa ating pagbabalik, malalaman na natin kung sino kina Yubugan and Renzel Shira ang tatanggaling kampiyon for today.
Ano, Kenzo?
Okay, wala nang aalis. Magbabalik ang Sige TV in the Loop version 2!
Yubugan, turo mo sa amin to. Gusto
ganun,
namin
tingin
to
mo.
eh.